that the atomic bomb exploding at Nagasaki. The film was taken in a B-29 many miles away. All of you who see this picture can judge for yourselves the extent of the menace to civilization of this new weapon. Civilized people can only demand that such power be directed not towards their obliteration, but to the benefit of mankind.
First in a test in the United States New Mexico desert, then 5,000 miles away at Hiroshima, and then again at Nagasaki, came the world-shaking explosions of the atomic bomb.
Latest reports from the Japanese say that 126,000 died as the result of the damage done by the single bomb that blasted the city. With the help of gauze masks, a few citizens seemed able to exist among the wastelands. Although the end of Japan's aggression was in sight before atomic bombings, it was this terrific force that finally signed her death warrant.
The end of the greatest of wars was the more dramatic because of suspense. Great crowds waiting, as here in New York. In the early hours of the morning, shortly before 2 a.m., the Jap radio announced that the final surrender message was being sent. There was all-day jubilation all around the world.